What's up guys, Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today I just want to do a quick video on the Scott's Turf Builder Edgeguard seed spreader. So we'll just do a quick walk around and show you how this works, how to use it, and there's just a couple little tricks to it. So yeah, let's get into it. The first thing you'll want to notice is there's a dial here. And you can see it goes from 1 all the way up to 15. And all this does is it controls how wide that opens right there. So it controls how much seed you're going to be putting out. So you can see when you have it turned all the way up, you can see how wide it opens. And then when you have it just turned to 1 or 2, you can see it only opens up a little bit. And then the other feature of this is it comes with an edge guard, and you can see when you flip this, when it's off, this orange piece right here is open, so it lets you spread the seed fully. But when you turn the edge guard on, it closes that. So you can see now it's closed. So say you're spreading seed along your neighbor's property or against the fence or whatever, and you don't want to spread seed on that side, you could just close this, put your edge guard on, and it won't be spitting seed out of this side of it. So you can see when you're walking with it, that spins, and then when you open it and the seed comes out, it turns the seed and releases it down under here, and then shoots it out. You can see the seed drops onto here, and then this rotates and just throws the seed everywhere. So it works really great. And if you use this right after you dethatch your lawn, and if you don't know what dethatching or scarifying your lawn is, be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I do a video on a tool called the Sun Joe Dethatcher Scarifier, and it's a great thing to do in the spring before you seed to get your grass looking great. So yeah guys, that's about it. The Scott's Turf Builder Edgeguard Seed Spreader. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow and helps me create more content. Be sure to like this video and have a good day.